If your Facebook Messenger or Meta Messenger app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Facebook Messenger app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Facebook Messenger app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Facebook Messenger. Click on the three dots to open the Facebook Messenger app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Facebook Messenger app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Facebook Messenger app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Facebook Messenger is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Facebook Messenger app on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Facebook Messenger app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Facebook Messenger and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Facebook Messenger app and its related data will be uninstalled. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Facebook Messenger app again. Click on Messenger Meta app. Press the Get button to start downloading Messenger. Wait for Facebook Messenger to be downloaded and installed. Now your Facebook Messenger app should be installed. Now open your Facebook Messenger app. Now type in your Facebook Messenger login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.